Okay, so I have to, every time I have to click sign into chat. So now I'm gonna sign in. I do not know if the broadcast has actually started. We're gonna find out. So I'm just gonna copy my password, which is my BT password. Let me see. I'm just gonna remove this so that you guys can't see. I don't know if the broadcast has started. OBS is gonna tell me if it has started. So I'm gonna go there. I just want to see the chat. Can I do it? Paste next. Bro, can I? My camera is actually the same every time I have to do this. Stupid shit. Okay, is it streaming now? Let me see if this is streaming. Okay, I'm live, but I'm connected to the wrong one. I think one day I'm gonna figure this out properly. macOS video iPhone. So we get the chat here. Okay, so we have the chat here. Now I'm gonna change video input, and it's actually wrong. Why is this as video input? Video Mac. Okay, this is video Mac. I had the video input now. This is this. Okay, I don't want this. And I do not want this. Video Mac. We're gonna get rid of this. Bro, how does this thing even work? Stop streaming, start recording. Why is this looking at this one? Okay. So, but the good thing is we have all the time in the world to actually sort this out because I don't get this thing. Video iPhone. Okay, this is it. If I go into settings, why is it taking this? One second. iPhone the camera legend. Okay. Desk iPhone the legend camera. Okay. Let's see if this is gonna be better. Device. I don't know where this is coming from. iPhone the legend camera. Okay. Okay. If I go here. Okay, finally, I think we managed to do this. I don't know if the stream is working properly. Let me just send this link to somebody from my team so that they could just see if this is working perfectly. Yeah, I wanted to just vibe code every day for a really long time, but that was not working. So I'm like, okay, let me just start it. Even if things are not perfect, he has to do. So I'm asking my time. I'm like, can you tell me if the sound is good? Is good. Anything which I should change? Please ping me here. Okay, so now the stream has started. We are vibe coding. So just to start the stream and tell you exactly why am I building. Yeah. So the first thing that I'm building is actually okay. Let me just open this thing out. Let me open Codex. So I've got Codex. Inside Codex, I'm using GPT 5.4 model, which is excellent to build anything out. For me, the experience has been really good, and I'm paying $20 a month for this. Obviously, this It's going to go to 200 or 400 or 500 because I'll have pay as you go. But at the end of the day, this is a model that I'm using. And what am I building? I'm building drums, which is something like Higgsfield, but it's like AI UGC and AI ads creation. That's the thing that I'm building. I feel like it's going to be perfect for the big vision that I have, which I'm going to share later. Actually, I'm going to share it right now. So I'm trying to build something like this. Vibe selling AI that sells your product automatically. So one of the biggest challenges that I have in actually all the developers and all the people who code is that it's really hard to sell your product. There's obviously a structure, and that's not that easy. So that's why I'm building. I feel like this could be really game changer. Imagine if you build a product and you build an app, you build a mobile app, you build a web application. Now selling that mobile application is not easy, and that's something that I want to build, because then you can sell your product automatically. So this AI is going to sell everything automatically. It's going to find your first 1,000 customers. It's going to find your prospects, ICPs. It's going to do customer support for you in this way that any person who's coming on the website, they click on the customer support button. That would be top of the funnel. And the AI inside that customer support, the job is going to be to convert that customer into a real customer so that they pay. So that's what it's going to do. Also, we're going to make AI ads. AI ads are right now ripping. That's what I'm building with drums, actually, AI ads, which automatically creates all the UGC ads within seconds. We're just launching this product. This is right now pre-launch, but we've done a lot of work on the back end. And I'll keep on building this actually in this stream because, yeah, that's going to be a lot of fun. So that is something that we are adding. So yeah, vibe selling AI, which sells everything for you. And then, yeah, so this is it. When I think about vibe selling, it's going to be UGC ads, it's going to be UGC content. These are going to all run on autopilot. It's going to be email automation such that you're sending emails automatically to all your customers, writing some of the best email copy which is out there. It's also going to include maybe LinkedIn messages, so finding all the prospects on LinkedIn and automatically messaging them. And if I had to position it, I always think this is the place where you go and find your first 1,000 customers. We're going to help you find your first 1,000 customers. And if we don't do a good job here, then it's not fun. We want you to make money, and we want an AI which automatically does all the selling. Because at the end of the day, when you're building a product, there are only two things. One is building product, and second is selling. So you're building something and then you're selling it. Now, the build part has become easy with AI. It just gets easier. You see Cursor, Bolt, all of these platforms which are out there. I'm also vibe coding all the time, even though I'm a developer since 15 years. But I'm vibe coding. I'm not writing any code myself. So the building part has happened, which is excellent. But now comes the selling part, because that's the hardest part. That's about selling, finding your customers, finding who your ICP is, looking at all the competitors that you have, doing all the competitive analysis. So that's all something that has to be done, and that's my vision. I want vibe selling to be exactly like this. You go there, you add your URL, which is going to be, hey, my company name is, let's say, Voho. Voho is also something that I built, which is AI call center. So imagine this is enterprise AI call center. We're also going to build further Voho in these streams, but my goal is that daily we can come here and I could vibe code for multiple hours, and we could build these platforms out and stream it completely. Now let me check with my team member if it's happening. Please tell me about stream, man. Stream. Yes, please do fast, do fast. So that's the thing. And I'm also going to tell you how I manage my team. We've got, because I did a lot of projects, I do also a lot of projects. So we've got a big team. But at the end of the day, my goal this year is not to extend the team because it's actually a lot of work managing people. One thing, I'll be honest, this is something I always underestimated. But this year, my plan is just get all the experts, get AI to do everything, and build kind of like 1% billion-dollar company. That would be perfect. And that's what we're going to enable with vibeselling.com. With vibeselling.com, any person can go there, just put their website, attach their credit card, and we're automatically going to run Google Ads, Meta Ads, acquire customers through them, maybe also add TikTok ads, all three of them automatically. And then secondly, we're gonna have UGC content which could be distributed, which would be created for your product without you having to do anything. So these two are the things, and email automation and LinkedIn. So all of that is gonna happen, and that's why I'm super excited about it, and I'm gonna share the whole journey here with you. Also, I want to show you something like Try Drums. That's the product that we are building right now. You can see I already mentioned it, so we're going to build it further and further. We're going to look at some of the best competitors who are out there and build it further, and that's going to be a lot of fun. So yeah, trusted by brand one, brand two. Yeah, this has to change. So you see, there's a lot of work which has to go in here, and yeah, we're just gonna build it out. And I'm also learning how to stream. Honestly, I do not know. I want to actually add background noise. I want to add so many things here, which is which I do not know how I can add, but we're just gonna learn also streaming as we go because that's gonna be a lot of fun. I just know a bit of things. I think in the previous stream, if you saw that we are building everything out, but now we know a bit more. And I also hate having a light because light is too bright for me. So I set up a light which is facing the wall and then everything is reflecting on my face to have perfect light. I don't want to have a perfect light because I hate these lights. I've been making, if you check my YouTube, I've been making a lot of content, but I hate all of these lights because they're too bright for my eyes and I get a headache after 2 hours. So if I have to stream every day, 6 to 8 hours, it's going to be a lot of work. And one thing I want to say, I saw also these guys, TBPN, this network, which is Technology Daily Show. This is a show which is, I love their design, even though they built it just like ESPN, they've copied everything from ESPN, but I think I'm going to add those things. If you go on their YouTube, let's see if they've got YouTube. Okay, OpenAI acquires. Okay, they got acquired by OpenAI. I can't believe media businesses can be bought for 100 million just like this. They're not even getting that many views. But I like this. I like this thing at the bottom, TBPN. I think I'm gonna do something like Vibe Club. I think Vibe Club is good because at the end of the day, we're doing vibe selling, vibe marketing, vibe coding, all of that. So I'm gonna put something like this here on the bottom left, and then yeah, have a lot of information there. Mention a lot about all the Vibe Club, vibe coding platforms, vibe selling platforms, all of that. So I'm going to change the structure of all of this like this, and then we see how it looks because I love their design and it's properly copied from ESPN, as you know. But I think it just adds a lot of it just adds really good design. So that's the goal with this, and yeah, that's how it is. So let's get back to coding because that's actually, I'm going to tell you how exactly I'm coding. So first of all, this is Vovo timer. As you can see, this is a timer where I manage all my tasks, where I manage my whole team. So that is the goal with all of this. Oh, scheiße. Yeah, let me just say, can you please remove and Wahid from it. When I mentioned archive, I mentioned about archiving tasks and not exactly this, and not exactly members as well. Can you add it? Can you please add it and also give me the possibility to actually archive all of these customers, yeah, all of these members, sorry. So yeah, that's the good part. I can just speak to it and then it automatically works because it's really hard to type these days. We've even gotten more lazy to even type. So yeah, that's what it's gonna be. We're gonna just building drums. Okay, we're gonna be building drums. As you can see, we're taking a lot of. We're just checking. This is drums, and then we've got vibe selling. As you can see, vibe selling is here. I'll just show you the status of vibe selling so that you know where we're starting. So this landing page is done, no credit card required. Continue with Google. When I click on it, these things are not there. So it's just, there's almost nothing which is there. So this thing is just starting almost from zero, if maybe 0.1%. And here, look at this, all these images are from the same creator. We've got brands. This is the current state. And also I run a school community, as you can see. I'm just going to show you, I run multiple school communities, but let me see. This is one school community where we where we teach people about AI videos and AI images, because that's actually the premise this is behind vibe selling in drums that I have. And yeah, this is exactly what we've built. We've got 60 members, $9 a month. This is subscription. This is a cheaper subscription. And if you ask me, the value that we're giving in there is absolutely insane. So that's going to be also a lot of fun. So I'm going to grow this. My plan is to grow this to 10,000 members. I'm going to grow all of this using AI UGC, AI ads. And we're going to use vibe selling for it. We're going to use drums for it. And I'm going to grow all my products using these things that I'm building. And if you look at landing page, this is also excellent. I feel like the landing page, my team has done a good job. We created all of this. I'm also going to show you exactly how I created all of this in Canva. So that's going to be good. Maybe in comment, you could tell me if you like the landing page already or you do not like the landing page. But yeah, I do not know if you can hear any music. I want to put some music because it's like, yeah, I put some dark techno music when I'm trying to do when I'm doing work, even though I'm not a fan of techno music, but it just gets me in that focus mode that I need. Okay, so now we are building all of this. I'm gonna go to drums and let's run the ads. Yeah, so I'm too cheap to pay for YouTube ad. Okay, this is good. This is good. Now let me get with my team member and see if actually the voice is good. Just decrease the YouTube side. Okay. Voice is clear. Okay. Little light. I have no idea. I have no idea. I use the same guy. Okay, perfect. Let me just go here because my team member is saying there's a lot of brightness here which we have to change on my face here. I do not understand. It looks normal to me, or maybe there's something wrong. Oh yeah, it's really bright. When I put this here, this is properly bright. Okay, I can't do anything. We're just gonna try to change the settings and we're gonna change all these lights so that it just looks normal. Um, yeah, it's good it doesn't change my ethnicity. So that's the thing. Okay, I do not know how to change it, but I have no idea. I'm also gonna reduce the size of this. I would actually love if I could stream every day for multiple hours and build something in all AI coding, AI voice that's gonna in all of this and AI coding and stuff. That's really good. Yeah, I'm pumped for this. I also want this. Should I create a logo? Let me just create a logo. No, I think I shouldn't create it. I also like the Silicon Manic guide. Okay, we check it. We check all of this. We're building all of this together. So let's see. And let me look at my to-dos. So all my to-dos usually go here. If you look at this, all my to-dos are going here, which I'm trying to add. Let's see. Okay, I've got all my to-dos here. I have to review a lot of documentation. I have to do all of this, but I think I'm gonna do it while streaming, or maybe because some of these documents are okay. Some of these documents are really private, but yeah. Okay, whatever I can do here, I'll just do it. Okay, inside this stream. Yeah, so that is not a problem. Yeah, I'm drinking a lot of coffee, as you can see. I'm just drinking from morning till evening, just coffee non-stop. I don't even need water. Water is just too overrated. Okay, this is it. So my team member told me that I can't actually have voice. Okay, chat. Do you hear some music? I don't know how to enable music for you guys. I think that would be so much fun. If you're vibe coding, you're seeing everything being built and also seeing how we are doing it. And one thing, guys, I learned, I want to run ads. I was always scared of running ads, but now I think I'm just gonna start running a lot of ads because ads are actually not that expensive as I thought. But you can really target and find people that you wanna find. Some of the ads that I'm running, I'm just gonna share with you. Yeah, some of the ads that I'm running. Okay, this is an ad set that I'm running. It's 2.65 euros that I've already. I started running this ad yesterday. That's why you see it. Because it's a new ad campaign that I'm running since yesterday, but it's trying to understand everything. We've got daily budget of 5 euros, nothing more than that, just because we're in the test phase for this. But we're gonna see how further it goes. Yeah, they are. Yeah, this is the amount which is spent, as you can see, and there has been no purchase. So this number of purchases are tracked by conversion API on your website and attributed. So we've had no purchase. This is all for my school community. If you go here, from ads, if I get any customer, it's gonna be mostly because if I'm gonna click on this, let's go click on this. Yeah, we do. If somebody clicks on join this button and they sign up, that's when this is going to be triggered by the ads. I'm so new to these ads, and there's a conversion API which we are going to use. I'm building an ads product, so I'm going to learn everything about ads, build it in a product, and make it easy for every person who has never ran ads. Actually, make it easy for people like me who are more like from the product side, but we are not very good at selling. We might be extroverted, but we don't know those tricks the sales that the sales guys know. So that's how it's gonna be. But yeah, I think now I have to jump into my work. Okay, I need to read some. Okay, let me do whatever I can do here. And okay, I'm gonna multitask now, guys. So forgive me for this. This is gonna be multitasking. So I'm building this image generator. I'm building this video generator. I'm just gonna go here. Okay, I'm gonna go image generator. So okay, I'll be honest, I'm taking a lot of inspiration from Freepik. So my plan is look at all the competitors, Freepik, Higgsfield, who are my big competitors, and then build something out with look at HeyGen. I'm also looking at HeyGen. So all of these companies, I'm looking at them, I'm building a competitor to them, and my goal is to build something which is really good. And after that, I'm gonna change the UI. I'm gonna change everything. I'm gonna make everything look properly different, as you can see. Yeah, so initially, just to sort out the gold start problem, I'm gonna use this, take some inspiration from here, take some inspiration from HeyGen, take some from here, and after that I can say, I do not know if this is bad or not, but that's something, yeah, that's something. I really like that they've got all of these models. And yeah, I'm just gonna tell AI to build something similar for me, and then we take it from there. Feature is not available. Okay, this is not something that we want. Have they banned me? Okay, so I'm just gonna find how I'm connected to Freepik. Okay, we're just gonna go here. We're gonna log in again. Okay, I've got this image, and I need these image thing also here. Please add this image thing. Okay, we're gonna add this here. I'm gonna have UGC ads here. As you can see, we're gonna have product placement. This is something which is gonna be, you select a product and you're gonna have it. And I don't like it. Why is this? This is called personal project. You have it places written personal project, and in other places Hira project. Makes no sense. Makes no sense. It's frustrating. Actually, let me see. I need to ask AI a legal question right now because I'm streaming. So I'm just gonna ask it a legal question. Imagine streaming. Features. Okay. Okay, I get it. I was just informed about, yeah, we have to be careful there. Okay, let's see how we build it. I want this CEDA, UGC, and UGC ads to be there. So I'm just gonna add it while it's not actually doing this. So okay, it's gonna set it up. Then we're gonna see how we want it to be. I want it to be a place where image is properly generated. So if you click on, I want it when you click on this, you click on this button and I select a product. I could just click it, and at the back we run some APIs which automatically solves it. That's something that I'm super curious how we're gonna go about doing it. Yeah. So I've got video generation. All of this is being reviewed right now. I can just look at it and I have to say push to production because then it pushes it to main. Then it's gonna be good. Now while I'm doing this, I'm just gonna write a message because I have to write a message to find a new, to find a new tenant for my product. Okay, for my partner. Can you find did I not reply to this? So while we're building this, let me just look at this one thing which is a bad new chat. Okay, one frog. Okay, okay, I need to just send a message which I'm just sending right now. Okay, I'm sending this guy a message and my messages. So I just have to send a message to, yeah, I'm just sending a message right now and we're gonna see what's happening here. Yeah, it's right now running. We're gonna go into detail about this. Okay, so let's see how it's building the whole code. Right now, you know how the design looks like, so we're just gonna see. And this is where I did all my tasks. As you can see, I had to do this, so I'm just gonna click on done here because this task is then properly It's properly done. Yeah, this task is then properly done. And then yeah, everything is sorted out. So I've got this, and now my task is done. Now I have to sort out another document which I'm submitting to a customer. This is something that I need to sort out fast. I wish I could show you this, but there's so much confidential information because I've got, as I told you, I've got a lot of different, I've got multiple products. I've got this products, and we're sold. This is proper enterprise, and we're getting really big customers. Some of the biggest top 10 companies of the world we are getting with Boho.ai. So that's why it's really important that I I can't reveal more information, but as we go, I'll tell you how to actually win these customers. I'll tell you how I got some of the biggest customers for this product. It's growing. I love this space, and it's going to keep on growing. I think it's going to be the future. But here, I'm also going to build this while coding it all the time here. So we're going to go through everything. But yeah, it's going to be, there's some enterprise stuff that I can't share, which I can share in the future, but maybe right now I can't share. And also, I don't understand the streaming world. I'm just new to. I've been making content, as you can see, but I do not understand the streaming world. I do not know what I'm supposed to share, what I'm allowed to share, and if there's a lot of IP and confidentiality clauses till something is completely done. And for big companies, you won't approval from their lawyers before you can have any information. So I'm just being very very careful here, as you can see. Yeah, I'm sure you've gotten the vibe how I'm doing this also. Yeah, but you'll also learn legal is really important. As you go up, you realize legal is really important. So that's what it is. And I'm gonna add more. So for all the new products that we're creating, I'm just adding the MLRs, new MLR which is created. We're gonna share all of this information. And I think streaming friendly, I'm gonna make also in Workspace something which is streaming friendly, which I can share in stream because I don't want to share. And there's something I maybe am not allowed to share. I need permissions, and that's why. Just like, can you create another page like slash track, but it has only information about YAR. Also, and no other person, because I want to use it for streaming. So that's the thing. Let's see if I get there. Thank you. So say, yeah. Then we improve. Feedback here. And this guy, I have to say, this guy. What's his name? Is he called the build space guy? I do not know. I always forget. Bridgemind guy. The Bridgemind guy is super cool. I think he's streaming, and he's the one who inspired me actually to stream. This guy. He's streaming every day for a very long time, and he's building all of these things out. And I thought, yeah, I want to do the same. I don't want to. I was making other kind of content, but then I was like, okay, maybe I should just stream. And look at this. This guy is streaming for every day. Like, look at this. He's streaming in the past 7 days. He's streamed 5 times. So he's taking most probably the weekends off. As you can see, Saturday and Sunday he's not there. And then he's an app until I make $1 million. So it's like, yeah, 7 hours he's doing it. He's running all of these. Yeah, he's also selling that product. But if I'm being honest, I'm just going to do it on Codex and Open Code and all of these platforms. Because, yeah, a code is gone. Code is gone. I don't want to jump into code. Maybe we do if it's really, really necessary. But right now, as you can see, it's not that necessary. But yeah, and then I'm just going to tell it push to production. And then I'm going to go grab some water while it's working, and then we go to the next things, and we stay in touch. I want it to work sequentially. But what happens? What is this? We're gonna check it out. But yeah, this is what we're gonna have. I've also created a page. Let me see if this page is being created right now, because I wanna have a page which is just for me and I can add everything. So right now, if I look at all my tasks, yeah, okay, internal server error. I think the deployment is happening. That's why this is what is being built with Boho Timer. As you can see, you also saw vibe selling. Can you please replace the brand names with drums? Yeah, that's my company. That's what Voho. Yeah, these two. Let's add it. And then if I have to say world tone, no, not world tone, and two other names, just add it for now. Okay, so we're gonna go to the landing page and we're gonna just add this here. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna change here 10,000 videos. Okay, this is not true. Maybe 1,000, because we generated all our videos like this in a lot of different languages. So cost saving is actually more than 90%. We're gonna have these brands, and that's gonna look really good. I also, if I go here, okay, I'm gonna go here. I think the AI actors, when you click on it, nothing happens. Okay, so I'm gonna tell it to make more pages. I'm gonna tell it to create some more pages. Let's see if it automatically does it. So if I click on add a feature page, I'll wait 1 second. I'm gonna okay. Can you on landing page? Can you create a feature page like this, and then we go through it? Okay, this is. Oh no, this is not for vibe selling. This is for vibe selling. Yeah, but this is for the landing page. I think the landing page is different. I think it's a different project. So I'm just gonna go here and I'm gonna clone that. So I need to just clone that. Let me see if I can clone this. If I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna go on this side and I'm gonna see if I've got that landing page with me. Vibe selling landing. I have no idea where the landing page is. Okay, I'm just gonna jump into my GitHub and try to see where the landing page is. Okay, we've got repository here. We've got vibe selling. Okay, is that it? Is that it? Where? Are you sure it's actually there? Ah, it could be. Maybe the landing page is there. For the landing page. Yeah, because I've not built anything there. Also, can you add really optimized SEO articles which help it rank for selling using AI? Something where AI sells everything for you. So let me see if this is how it is. Let me check. Check out. Another thing that I really want to do, I want to create a content section where I can just have it. But yeah, before I go log time calendars, just edit last stream space. Let me just see how does it look like, because I want to have a page which has my streaming, a streaming page. Okay, where's my 1 second? Okay, this is it. I still get this error. Let's see why we have this error. Okay, we've got this. Where's this? Yeah, okay. Let's go to the stream page. Okay, this is the stream page. This is where I have everything in there. Okay, daily, weekly, all. Okay, so this is how it is. You can see how much I've been working, because I track all of it. Every time I stop working, I'm just gonna add it streaming, making product, and then I also have a lot of these tasks which I can have. So yeah, this is it. You can see everything. And I'm gonna just make it even better, So this is gonna be my streaming page. So yeah, now we can see I've been working 4 hours 36, but I'm just gonna click on this and we're gonna start again. I've been working 5 hours 53 minutes, and these are all my tasks which I need to do, which I haven't done. So yeah, all of them are there. Work log is there. I can create more tasks. So I just created this internally so that we can work better among my team, because I hate managing, and then I can see it for my whole team. And just like I manage myself, I want to also manage the team, because then you know all of it. Also, at the end of the day, I'm not. I want to do everything, vibe coding, vibe selling, vibe marketing, all myself. I gotta make sure that we are just doing it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go click on product. It's gonna start loading entries. Work is it's logging right now. Work has started 6. So I'm just gonna say streaming, um, making all products, doing admin work. So I'm just adding this. I could link it to a task, but yeah, I don't want to get into this nitty-gritty right now. It's already not that much fun. I'm also going to. Did we do it? Do we show the? I think the KPI should not be shown right now. Okay. I'm gonna add it, but I'm gonna make all the KPIs really proper, easy to see, but not right now. Stream page, please. Okay, so now we're going to remove all these KPIs. Okay, now I'm going to get back. I need to review a document, which I do not even know where it is right now. But I'm just going to try to find a document here. Oh, I've actually there's a call that I have to go to very soon, which is, yeah, I have to check. Do I have a call? I think I have a call that I have to attend right now. Is it right now, or will it meet with okay, AI call center for Saudi smart cities and companies? Can I take a call while still being in a stream and working? Let's see if we can do it. Then, if I can start doing it, then I can stream my whole day by coding, while selling to you. And then people who really just wanna work, they wanna work, they wanna vibe code, then they can get the vibe that I'm also there working with them. So it's like more like virtual co-working space or something. Why not? And always drink hot water, then you can speak longer. That's one thing I realized, otherwise I can't speak that much. You're gonna get a sore throat properly. Is it actually true? Does speaking for 6 hours cause sore throat? Can I cure it with warm water? So if I make it a habit to always be drinking warm water, is that good or is that not good? I'll also move to local models. My goal is also that I make it completely local, because now the new model from Google is actually really good. I've heard on Twitter at least Gemma. I think the Gemma AI model, which is open source, is actually quite good. Everybody was talking about it, so that's the thing. You just have to see. Also check out my Skool community. If you're watching it, just check out my Skool community, ABC. I've created a lot of tutorials, spent a lot of time creating these proper classrooms where we help you out to become expert in AI video, AI images. You're gonna make some of the best videos out there that you could possibly do with AI. And I daily test so many AI tools, so I know what's the best tool out there, what are the best models, what are the cheapest ones, and we have brought all of it together. And we have put it in this ABC community, which I feel is gonna have 10,000 members soon. I'm telling you, there's too much value here. And how much is it? Only $9. That's just the price of a coffee. That's nothing. I'm telling you. The value that you're gonna get, you're gonna realize that it's for free. That's how it feels. Or most people, look at this. This model, you can just. This is open source model from them. Gemma, MedGemma. Oh, this is also in medical imaging space, interpretation space. That's actually really good. So they do a translate Gemma. Oh, all of these open source. Let me see. This would be so cool. Frontier with mobile first AI. Oh. It's in open source. Can I now ask an AI here? We'll try Gemini. Is Gemma open source? Okay, maybe in the docs you see it. Open source. State of the open models. Okay, open models. What does an open model means that it's now hosted actually on a cloud, so the data is not going to leave. If that is happening, I can host it locally. I'm very happy. Then we're going to just have Gemma working on the computer. I can ask it any questions, and then we're done. We don't have to use ChatGPT or any of these models because they're cloud-based and they are during most of your training. Everything is being trained. All your data is being used to train the next models, and maybe you do not want that. Maybe you want to do your taxes with Gemma because you don't want your financials to be out there. But honestly, they're anyway, it's going to be out there. I think the way the world is going, I think it's just going to be everywhere. So yeah, just let's look at this page. Let's also look at drums, where the drums stand. Okay, I'm getting an error. Do I keep on getting it? Okay, that's the good part, you know. That's one thing I realized with anti-gravity from Google. It automatically figures out if there's an error. I do not have to copy paste this. I do not know why I still have it here. But yeah, let me just copy paste it. Don't show again. Can't I copy paste it? Yeah, I copy pasted it. So that's what programming is. I'm getting error. Check this. Okay, now it's gonna figure everything out itself and it's gonna sort it out. Do I have to tell it push to production? Let's see. Get status. Is it okay? Push to production. Push to production. Good thing is AI. People who are from this generation don't know how hard it was. You could not even make a single spelling mistake when talking to, when writing anything in the terminal. Right now, look at this. I write push to production, and AI is smart enough to understand it. Before you could not even make one spelling mistake, and that's back in the good old days, you know. Now the world is different, and we love it like this. I hated programming at that point. I was spending 5 hours just to center a div, and now the world has changed completely. We love it like this. Okay, and okay, do we do this? Do we focus on this or not? How can I see? Okay, can I see? Oh, I can even see my stream actually. That's actually cool. I'm not even looking at my stream, so I can open the stream in another. So I can just see my stream here, which is excellent. So if I go here, if I go on live and if I start looking at my stream, can I? Oh, yeah, I can see my stream live. So if I do not like something, I can just say that, hey. Okay, I think I can make it just smaller. It doesn't have to be this big. Is it true? Or is it okay? Somebody has to tell me. and my chat is not working, so that's something that we have to see. Why is the chat not working for this stream? You know, it's super chaotic, but that's how you want to start it. If it's perfect, then you've started too late. And most of us, we just suffer from, oh, yeah, oh, I'm at a stream right now. Okay, stream right now. Okay, I'm doing a stream. I'm doing a stream and one of my friends wants to talk to me right now, and I'm telling her, yo, no, we can't do it. Maybe we can't do it. Okay, one thing I have to see, I'm gonna fix the angle of this, and it's up better like this. Okay, I'm doing a stream. I'm doing a stream with one of my friends. I think we're gonna add more excitement to this. It's about to come. Okay, let's see if this has been fixed automatically or do I have to do something here. Now we get internet server error, which is why is it running or not? Let's see get status. Okay, let me try again. Command Shift refresh. telling my friend I'm vibe coding and streaming, so forgive me if I reach you at the wrong time. Okay, so we've got this, we've got this. This is gonna work. Okay, now it's working. So I'm gonna go back. And what's happening? Okay, last 7 days. What is happening here? What? What did I just write? Why is it like this? Total plan. Where are my tasks? Bro, what did I actually write? That it completely messed up everything. Ah. Okay, they completely change it. This is one of those things with AI that just automatically changes everything. Maybe I should tell it to just revert it to an old system so that it's yeah, so that it's proper and it doesn't cause this much stress. But yeah, okay, now I have to review one document. So let me review this document, and um, after that, I get back to you. But our process is as rigorous as these, and we are also in the process of doing all of these certifications. But all existing system is also similar. Okay, so one of the things that I'm trying to do is we're trying to win an enterprise customer. But if you do not have all of these regulations, then it's always a problem. GDPR, ISO 27001, so I'm just telling them that it's something similar that we have got, and we can send all the documentation to the legal risk department. Okay, so now let me read it. This is alternate red. How do I turn it red? Saturday. Yeah. Data infrastructure, right, with the principles of By the way, when is next YC deadline? I want to see YC deadline 2026. Let's see. AI, Google Gemini. Oh, May 4th. Ah, so in 1 month I can apply to YC, which is excellent. Okay, I'm going to apply to YC. You can apply to full batches now. See more at early decision. Okay, it's 4th. If you apply before that, you'll get. If you apply before, you'll get a decision by June 5th. We'll still can't promise exactly. Okay, so we're gonna wipe code every day, all of this, and then we're gonna also apply to YC. And then we're gonna tell YC, hey, we wipe code. We want them to see that we're building everything in public. I feel like it's gonna help a lot having everything. Let me see how my Twitter looks right now. Okay, I think I should also start posting this on Twitter because that's gonna help a lot to get those customers. Okay, that's not okay. Oh, stream once and now I have it in Canva. Lemina, I think I already have it. I don't even know how to broadcast it actually on Twitter. I don't know these things, but it's okay. Okay, what should I say about coding? Right club day 2. Building. Right selling. To automate AI, using AI to automate AI, to automate sales using AI. White club data, building website to automate. Okay, this is it. I'm just gonna check it. We're just gonna post it. Can I post a link? Does Elon not like it? Okay, I have no idea, but I'm just gonna still put it. You know, if I share streaming software, if it's like real life control, okay, forget that. Share, get shareable link. Okay, I've got the shareable link which I've copied here. So now we're gonna go in live now. For the next 5 hours. The next 4 hours. Ah, scheisse. I have to jump into another call. That's a problem. Maybe I continue the stream. Why not? That's gonna be fun actually. To go to as you are marketing. Okay, so we're just posting this here, and yeah, we're just gonna be drums, vibe selling, all of this here, and then we've got this community which is about vibe selling automatically, and all of them are focused on each other, which is actually excellent. I love this image, but let me vibe club, school AI video club. Yeah. Why can't? Okay, I'll just stream. Why can't? This is. Why can't? ChatGPT actually. What is this? Okay, I use Twitter as a logging platform rather than anything else. Okay, I need to remove the For You page. I have to be honest. The For You page of Twitter is one of the worst pages I want to be on, because it's like it's all about war. It's all about, and it's like, and it's super sad that you're watching those things and you don't even want to work. If I'm being honest, this is because yeah. Oh, I love this. I love this tool by this guy, Farsa. It's like I'm just gonna start using it and see how it works. So you just go with your cursor, and AI automatically explains to you how everything works. I think this is gonna be excellent. OpenClaw. Should we buy an NVIDIA DGX Spark? What is the price of it? Price 5,000. Why not? And then what happens? What's the benefit that I get? Can I do vibe coding all with it? Oh, OpenClaw. Maybe I love several humans don't question the hierarchy. Oh man, these ads are really good. We're also gonna. I love this guy. This guy's certified hater. He hates everything. We love it. We love that part. Okay, my goal is that I'm not gonna have any. I'm unfortunately not gonna have any political content on my following page because it's so stressful. You just get mad and then you can't work. I feel like these guys have got it very proper. These are just like PVPN and they've got this ETN, all of this, and they go live. I think I'm also gonna add this whole layer. And then look at this, you can even put something like sponsorship. I think that's gonna look really good. We want something as a sponsorship on the stream, you know, at the bottom things are moving. We want our stream for 8 hours to be covered by some kind of sponsorship. Let's look at how many views are they getting. They've got 948 views. I think we can get 948 views. That's not gonna be a problem. Maybe I've got food, but how are they streaming it everywhere? Are they also right now streaming on YouTube? Let's see. Can you stream on all platforms? ETN. Oh, this is live. So right now they're streaming everywhere. DVPN acquired. Okay, this is excellent. click on talk, talk, but now they can hear. Okay, excellent. Okay, this is excellent. So I could just go into a call and actually do this. Now a bad idea. Okay. Let me grab water again, and then we get back into it and we start looking into we start building this product further and take it from there. do this again. It has.
And rise again. And rise again. Beautiful and perfect world. We are falling down. Beautiful and perfect world. We are falling down. Falling down.
हसन भाई हमें इसमें ना सीधी सीधी वैल्यूएशन रिपोर्ट सबमिट करनी चाहिए जो उन्होंने मांगी है। अच्छा एस्टेको ने मैंने आपको एक पिक्चर दी है, उसने बिल्टअप एरिया और प्लॉट एरिया लिखा है नॉट एप्लीकेबल, ठीक है, वो सही कह रहा है एडवोकेट जो है। तो देयर इज नो अदर चॉइस ना, आपके पास चॉइस ही नहीं है, आपको जो भी है उससे वैल्यूएशन रिपोर्ट सिंपल सीधी सी लेनी है, उस पर वो ये लिख दे हाँ भाई बिल्टअप एरिया या प्लॉट एरिया लिखा हुआ है नॉट एप्लीकेबल उस पर।
And rise again. We are hoping for this. Those paradigms. But reality dragged us in eternity. First person viewed us monochromate slide. In open world we are running to infinity. To infinity. There is only shadow. We are falling down. We are falling down. And rise again. And rise again. We are falling down. Beautiful and perfect
For
world.
the first time in your life, you joined the call at the right time. How are you, sir?
I'm good. I'm good. How you doing?
I'm good, sir. I'm very well. Very well. Thank you for asking. So, sir, um, bro, you
Yeah.
don't even know these guys are judging me, man. Look, residential compound manager, Tabuk, Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
And rise
Yeah.
again.
So basically, bro,
Or maybe it was even continuing. I don't know. I don't see the chat. How do I see the chat here? I can't see the chat. See virtual settings, chat. Okay, so this thing is running now. Okay, I'm set here. Why is it not working? Yeah. Let me grab some water again. And some coffee. I know, it looks ugly.
I stay awake until the first glimmer of sun hits the horizon. I am afraid of the dark, no one to talk to, only my own thoughts to live with, my mind going to dark places.
Just to add some vibe, boys. Does it add some vibe? I hope it does. Stupid. Okay, maybe it looks stupid. Well, I don't know. I think this should not be. This should not be square. Who said I'm not a designer? Okay, I'm also gonna design the whole of it such that it looks like DBPN. Cancel, cancel. Okay, I'll just put the stream up there. Then, yeah. I have to make more videos like this. Oof. Why is it not spending any money? Spend it and show. Why can't I move it? And this is good. Actually, I want to see how long can uh, how long can I stream today. Okay, I'm gonna make a streaming page so that जी। उफ,
कहीं जा रहे हो? जूते पहने
ओ जाना है
कहाँ?
अरसल के घर।
खैरियत?
नहीं, वैसे ही मिल लें दोस्तों से।
मेरे वसीम आटो जरा कोई फंक्शन रखा है?
नहीं, वो दोस्तों ने बस मिलना था।
तो उनके घर आ रहे हैं?
हाँ, पहले कहीं और मिलना था लेकिन
कितने बजे जाने?
10 एक बजे। I think now you can hear. Before you could not hear. I think I'll have to end this stream because I just realized that most probably YouTube is gonna hate me because I've been streaming sounds from another YouTube video which was music, and I think they're not gonna like it. So that's gonna be anyways a problem. I think I'm gonna end the stream right now. We start the stream maybe later tonight or actually tomorrow, and we take it from there. And then I'm gonna share the journey of vibe coding, vibe selling, vibe marketing, and getting everything there. I'm happy we could just always you could just always get back to it, and the plan is to be making these videos every day. So let's say tomorrow morning when I wake up, I'm gonna start streaming a bit early. And then we take it from there. But every step of the way we are learning. Today we learned also about that we can't be streaming music from another YouTube video, which is also really powerful if you ask me. And so this means I have to make my own music that I'd want to use here. But yeah, before we jump, let me just check what's the last status here, because you all saw the prompt that I was using. Okay, rate limit has been reached, so nothing is working. Okay, I have to add credits. So I'm gonna upgrade this and we're gonna take it from there. So working for, okay, this is good. I like it. Working for Dubai active tasks right now. Okay, this is gonna be stream session, which is gonna have all this information. Perfecto. I think this sounds excellent, and yeah, we take it from there. So at this, I'll just end it. I'll add more limit to my codex and then take it from there. I think our codex bill is gonna go beyond thousands of dollars the way things are going. But yeah, let's see. Let's take it from there. Okay, everybody. See you tomorrow. Let's go.